Batman Investment Support Office of the Tigris Development Agency started its activities in June 2010. Our office introduced itself to the Turkish business world and started collaboration with potential investors. Our office, an esteemed and creditable organization, has succeeded in gathering investors and other stakeholders on different platforms.
Batman Yatırım Destek Ofisi, teşvik sistemini, ajansımızın mali desteklerini ve ofisin teknik desteğini kullanarak şehrimize değer katabilecek yatırımcıları ilimize çekmeyi amaç edinmiştir.
The office became an active investment support office in a very short time, evaluating and improving the projects of Batman entrepreneurs and businessmen and consulting them. Batman Investment Support Office provides key information about the investment climate in Batman to those businessmen who would like to invest in Batman. Our office prepares, analyzes, and reports of sectors that contribute to the development of Batman and shares this information with potential investors. Many investors made their decisions based on investment discussions with our office. The Investment Support Office keeps monitoring the investments made, keeps consulting investors, and gives technical support. Batman, where the cost of employment is low, types of transportation is diverse, and which is close to the Middle East markets, is waiting for new investors.